Namaste and welcome to Uncommon Ground. What's uncommon about this show is that we hope to make ground for two very different people who might have a different perspective to come together and talk about the big issues that all of us face as individual citizens and as a nation. Today's show is about business and sustainability, which is such a big buzzword all around the world. We have with us Yogesh Deveshwar, the chairman of ITC, which is a diversified group. With him also is Sunita Narayan, the director of the Center for Science and Environment, or CSE as it is called. Welcome to the two of you and thank you so much for being on this show. Just to start out, Yogi ji, I'm going to ask you to just define what do we actually mean when we say business and sustainability.
See, basically to my mind, sustainability means sustainability of society. And basically the kind of challenges that we are confronted with. These days we are confronted with two major challenges. One is that the nature of economic development that we have embarked upon so far has been of a kind that has degraded natural resources. It has depleted the assets of nature, and its life-sustaining capacity has been emasculated. On the other hand, the lots of growth that has taken place, which has been measured in financial terms, but a large section of global population is in poverty. And these two, if we continue on this path, is unlikely to lead to a sustainable society. So sustainable business is the one that conducts its business in a manner that can contribute to the alleviation of these two challenges and actually overcome them.
All right, Sunita ji, it sounds almost like something that you would have said. What would you add to that?
No, I think I would very much agree with Yogi ji on that. I think it's very clear that in India, the environment is the survival base of large numbers of people, which differentiates us from many other countries where you can degrade the environment and still believe that you could have growth. But in a country like India, where people live on the environment, and if any industry was to pollute the river, was to damage the forest so that the streams were damaged, it affects people's life. And therefore, as Yogi ji has said, I think the challenge is that you can actually make sure that you do not damage the environment, but more importantly, you benefit local communities. And it is this deepening of relationship between industry and local communities, and in a manner in which you can benefit the environment, I think is an important indicator of sustainability. I think the only difference that I would have with Yogi ji is that these are words. However, in practice, we are still very far away from what we are both defining as sustainable business.
So let me ask you, taking a cue from what she said, you have done a lot, in fact, in your agri-businesses especially, to look at the sustainability of local communities. But in your businesses, you also have the five-star hotels that are a great place to stay if you can afford them. But I want to ask you, they actually cater to the highest consumption lifestyles. Now, is it possible for those hotels to actually move towards sustainable practices?
Yes, it is possible to do that. But before that, I just would like to respond to what she said. I think that's the objective. And I agree with her that in no way can we say that business has reached a stage where it is able to function in a sustainable manner.